Again, thank you for coming, and my name is Isabel, and I'm the tech trainer for East Brunswick Library. And so there it is our flamingo. The other thing that it might be useful if you are following along, if you go to the Padlet and you scroll up, click here where it says Quick Actions, and you're gonna see a file there, and you can also download it or open it in a new window. And this might be a good guide to follow along. So this is what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna put it here aside. That's my cheat sheet for you guys. So you can open this one. Like I said, it's here on the Padlet, which says quick action. Just click on it, and you can either download it to your computer or you can open it in another window. And this is what I'm gonna follow it, and it has the shortcuts and the location of what we're gonna do, so you know where I'm navigating. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is learn. We just learned how to open a file in Pixlr E. So let's zoom in and zoom out. So on Pixlr E, you can use, if you have a Mac, you can use a Control. I have a Mac, so you're gonna see here on the keyboard, I'm gonna use different. So since I have I don't have a number pad. If you guys have a desktop computer, you're gonna have on the right a number pad. I don't have that, so I have to use Command space plus to zoom in, and Command space minus to zoom out. If you have a PC, it's gonna be the same. You wanna use the plus and the minus on your keyboard. You might also, it depends on the mouse that you have, you might be able to roll the disc on your mouse and also zoom in and zoom out. I know this only works on Pixlr, it doesn't work on Photoshop. Photoshop, you have to use the keyboards. Or you can go here to view, and you'll have other options to zoom in and zoom out. So we're gonna be zooming in and zooming out a lot. Okay, so then we have this. We know how to zoom and zoom out. We need to save work in progress. So the work in progress on the Pixlr is available until I close the browser. Or I can go back here to Pixlr, and I can click, it says here, see, it says heart icon to pin it. So if I click on the heart icon, see, like it's full, that means that it's pinned. And if I close it, and then I do Pixlr again, it's gonna still be there. But if you don't do that, there is no assurance that that work in progress file is gonna stay in the browser. If you're on a file in Pixlr and you close the browser, there is a big chance that you lose that file. So how not to do that? So there are two options. You go here, File, Save, and you're gonna save it as a PXD. So PXD is the native file for Pixlr. So it'll save your work in progress, and you have to download it to your computer. And if you wanna keep working on that file tomorrow, you're gonna have to open Pixlr, go here to open image and find that file that has the PXD, and that's gonna be your work in progress file. Okay, any questions about that? If you wanna open a file, you click here, open, and I find the file, and then it's there. This is just, and there it is. The file. Another way to open is depending on what computer you have, but most computers gonna allow you to do this. You can just drag a picture. See, it's drag a picture. You just click here. You can click enter, and there it is. You have a picture. So you can do that. You can bring it. You can either do here, file open, and bring a picture. And so you can either do file open and bring a picture, or you can take a file from here and move it on top. So you can, there are two ways to do it. So if you have this like that, just click enter and it'll go away. Okay, so that's how we do with Photoshop. If we want to save the work in progress in Photoshop, we're gonna go File, Save. And then depends if you have a cloud, you can save it on the cloud or you can save it on your computer. So since Photoshop lives in your computer, you just save it on your computer. And you're gonna choose the Photoshop file format because that's your work in progress. It's gonna keep your all your layers, all your the work you're doing, and you can still edit. So that's what it means work in progress. You can still edit it, and it's you haven't finished with your file. So you can save it at Photoshop, and then next time you can go ahead and open here on where it is, and you're gonna find the file that ends at PSD. Okay, so if you do that, it'll open as a Photoshop file. So that keeps your work in process. Okay, so that's for that. Any questions about that?